CDI chairperson, Mr. Brijesh Goyal, has written a letter to the Union Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. CDI says that GST rates on air purifiers and HEPA filters should be reduced from 18% to 5%. CDI is also saying that air purifier sales in Delhi have surged and increased five-folds due to pollution. Remember, this is the story every year, and this time around in this year alone, five-fold increase of the overall purchase of the air purifiers has been observed. Let's quickly go across to Simran Babbar, who is bringing us those breaking inputs. Simran, share with us all of those grounds that have been highlighted by the CTI chairperson in that letter penned to the finance minister.
Well, Akansha, absolutely. The CTI chairperson, which is the apex body for the traders and the industries unit, has flagged this issue that during the peak season of the pollution that we in Delhi have been facing and we are suffering due to that, the multifold sales of the air purifiers has been witnessed. Five times the number of sales have gone up, and that is why the chairperson Brijesh Goyal has written a letter addressing these concerns that the overall GST that has been also levied on this should be reduced to 5% from 18%. And even now, whenever there is a purchase, all the store managers and the people in the industry of the air purifier, they have also reported that the sales have gone significantly up of these air purifiers because of the rise in the pollution in the national capital, and owing to that the costs are also up. So the questions, of course, have been arising over the fact that how much should we be paying for the basic right to breathe good air, and even it is during any sort of
All right, Simran, I'm so sorry to interrupt you there. In fact, I'm joined